What I have for you today is a Kryptonite lock. It's a cable lock, bought it at Home Depot, used for my bicycle. And then I discovered on YouTube that these cables, these can be snapped in just seconds with a pair of cable cutters. Look like a big set of pliers basically, but small enough that you can hide in a jacket pocket. And it'll go through this in literally a second. Can't say I recommend any cable lock for a good bicycle. And here's the lock. The name's kind of worn down, Kryptonite. You can tell I've used it. It's rusty, but it still works all right. And just like yesterday, you need a tension wrench, or I should say just like in episode 1, which happened to be yesterday. The tension wrench, a little pick like this. It goes in almost like a key. Putting tension on the core, trying to turn it. Kind of hard to do around the camera. And it's open. Just that simple. So if you're using one of these for a good bicycle, you may want to rethink that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like, subscribe, share it online. Thanks for watching.